Hi, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com. We're back out at the cabin build today and we're putting on the hurricane straps, hurricane anchors, whichever you want to call them. And I started out with this type here, the H1AZ Simpson Strong Tie bracket, but I just found like these holes here weren't reaching into the trusses very far when they were on here. And I just felt like it was too close to the end to get a good attachment. So I've switched to these Simpson's H2.5As. They've got just a little bit more reach, so I'm getting more nails further in. The one thing with the anchors is you want to be sure you're filling all the holes with the proper fasteners, whether it's these hanger nails, or I don't have any of the screws, but there's structural screws that they sell for these as well. So these are 1.5" by 9" gauge joist hanger nail. So there's that. In your area, this may not be enough. Either one of these might not be enough. These are common ones in my area. We don't really have hurricanes here. In a regular hurricane zone, you might actually have full straps that attach to the wall, go right over the truss and back down and attach on there. But just check with your local code to see which one you need. But I'll show you how to install this style. So these ones are a little different system. So they still go through the wall sheeting, but they have just a little bit more reach in here. In fact, I can probably give them a little bit of a bend just so we can get it more securely attached. These could go on either side. So this tool here is just basically has a magnetic tip, and it just has a pounding action that puts the nail in. It's really nice for these short little anchors, or short little fasteners. Saves a lot of not pounding your finger or your thumb when you're trying to hang on to these little nails, short nails. I mean, we're even going through these metal plates back here on the trusses, and it pushes them through pretty easy. So on that there, you can see we're still getting a couple nails that are fairly close to the edge, but at least the other ones are over in some good meat there. And these ones. Okay, if we use those other anchors or hurricane ties, it'd be better if I had another strip of plywood up on top of here. They'd sit better. But you can kind of see how these ones are just going to be barely borderline getting into the end of the rafter. I just feel like these ones are stronger, or not stronger, but I'm getting the nails in a better placement. Okay, so that's your hurricane straps or anchors or whatever you want to call them. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, keep watching the cabin build.